Welcome to Slime Part 4. I hadn't done slime so long, I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, let's go. Okay, some new just came out. Set the colors. Red. We're gonna do red next. Gold. Doing gold. Parting gift. Send it off to... See what we're gonna send it off to. Send to Ethan. Dance DM, Psycho Girl, and Guava Juice. You're sending... Huh? You're sending does not send. Your message did not send.
I can see what goes. I'm determined. I still get to see what goes.
Okay, we good to go. We send it. Yeah, just letting y'all know I have Psycho Girl and all that on there. Okay. You just put on Facebook. Facebook.
Hey. Check on Mom?
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Hold up, y'all. Well, y'all, we're gonna just do this. Ho.
That's what I'm doing with hers.
Ho. Ho. Merry Christmas. C.H.
What y'all doing?
That's not how you spell Christmas? Oh, wow. Well, it says right here. Merry Christmas. Okay. Your post. Oh, post it. Alright. We'll take that off. I love this slime. It's not clappy yet. And today we're going to make a new one. We'll do violet. Bugs.
I saw your live video feed this morning. You were cold? You were wearing a blue jacket with your scrubs. Yeah, it was freezing and it was raining on me yesterday. So all my jackets were soaking wet. to wear a sweater today. Just a sweater. I was freezing my ass off this morning.
Dantitium. I use your name on it. Dantitium, I use it on so say it claps. Alright, home. Okay, let's open the letter. Continue. Well, pretty much got this one, this one, this one, this one. I'm gonna take that one off.
You know, you came to the apartment. You accomplished one thing.
CG Dake C. We did CG Dake C before. So hold up.
Picked up BB, right? You forgot to pick up the duck call.
Oh.
I still got that duck call. I said I still got that duck call. I have it on me because Matthew,
See that?
I put it in either your room or Nanny's room, but I guess I can't put it in my computer. I took it from him in a plane.
Alright, we got this one.
At least you'll learn how to blow it.
Collect all the ladybugs as we still can. We're losing power. Alright, home. We got Darkness X. It's claps, so that's good. That's a good one. And now we made this one. We're gonna make a new one now. Play with it a little bit. We're gonna play with it a little bit.
I did that one. But I did it differently. I did what you did.
Sounds like sand now. We'll do yellow. Hold up, let's X that out. Quit, yes. I got an idea. We're gonna name all these and put them in the rainbow. Y'all ready? Alright, let's go. We're gonna name them all by character. First up, let's do clear. We're going to all do different ones. Alright. First one.
I'm about to say, CG, now put a hole in mom's socks.
Yeah, we're gonna keep that up. Mix it up with all type of colors. Chocolate. We're gonna name all YouTubers. Let's try it. CL Clayton A-Bear. That's what I'm a YouTuber. Well, not a YouTuber, I'm a YouTube person. Alright. Let's play with it for a little while. It's clear.
Yeah.
No ads. No ads? Hold up.
I don't wear my
No
rollerblades
ads.
no more, so do you want them? I said I don't wear my rollerblades no more, do you want them?
I don't want to buy none. Alright, we did that one.
Will you
Okay,
wear
we got one of them.
Cause I don't wear
Let's
them no more.
make.
I can't wear them because it's not this is not pure. Let me just say this is not pure color. So next time you come, you get the duck call and you can get the roller body.
Alright, we're gonna do this.
Just you, Matthew, and Brianna don't fight over them.
Let's do black. No, we're not gonna do black and white too much.
Actually, Mom will pull you out.
Jake, C. C. J.
Did you ask Mom?
C. J.
So you want to ask Mom before you do.
Alright, y'all. Okay.
Because I don't know if you
CJX.
want to ask Mom or not.
We can put our own letter. I didn't notice that. Okay.
Yeah, CJ posted a video saying, that he loves water, and it says water for life, okay? We go to the, I bring him to the store. Me, him, and Mom goes to the store. He gets a mixture of drinks, of sodas. I said, you gotta be serious. He says water for life. But yeah, he gets a mixture of sodas. So I videoed him getting a mixture of sodas. I said, he just got a mixture of sodas, people. And I said, this is Clayton Neighbor, people. And then I posted it on the TikTok.
Dan.
He said, you just didn't post that on TikTok. I said,
Dan.
yes, I did.
We're gonna do it like this.
No, not to mess with me.
Dan TDM.
Yeah, I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm wrong. I love that one.
C. J. J. CGX. C. J. Fuck it. I got another one. Alright, so far we got Clayton Abear, Dan TDM. I got another one for y'all.
Watch what I'm looking for. Hi, Stephanie. Good. Fruit.
We're doing this one too. This is one of my favorite colors. Well, it's blue and pink. Let's try Chemtate. Tate. Captain Tate.
It'll be a picture of me and him.
Let's play. I get money off playing it too.
Yeah. Hebert.
My favorite color is pink, y'all. So far we getting the whole thing done. Catch all the stuff as you still can. I like doing that. Skip. Fork or rainbow. It's rainbow. Sound like rocks now. We'll do yellow because we already did green. I think we already did green. Looks like gold. Let's try guava juice. Let me try guava. Guava juice. Oh. We're going to just put... I'll be right back, y'all. It's G-U-A-V-A. G-U... G-U-V... Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Juice. Guava juice. Okay. That's how you spell it. If y'all say I'm wrong, that's what it said on there. Okay, we got that one. We have yellow, green, that, and blue. See what we got. I want to just get all the colors. Okay, let's see. Open up. Alright, we got everything we need. Let's go. Alright, we got everything. Alright, we got yellow, we did that. Now we got orange. It looks clear. Okay, let's do that one. I'm Jay's Nation. We got orange. Okay, great job. We got orange now. Okay, let's see. We got blue. We got that type of color, that type of color. We got green. Well, that's supposed to be yellow. Let me take that. Let me take that off. That's a good trick. Do.
I just love ground beef.
Come on, y'all. Let's do this. To make it look like it's yellow. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we got yellow. It didn't look like it was yellow before. Let's do chocolate. And let's see. What else YouTubers I don't... What else YouTubers I know? I know it was Dream something. Hold up.
Oh, your Robert friend said you're not talking to Peter.
Dream Team. Yeah, Dream Team. Dream Team. Dream Team. Team. That's a YouTuber's name. It's with J Nation and his girlfriend. It's called Dream Team. Okay, let's see what YouTuber. Okay, we got Dream Team, J Nation, Chemtate, Dan TDM. We got Clay Neighbor. I knew I skipped something. We had to remake that too. We're gonna do everything clear. I like doing stuff clear so it look good.
Too bad Colleen or Paula didn't even speak to you.
I knew I skipped something. We're gonna put Booksy Daisy, yeah. Oh, shoot. Skip that one. Delete. I had to remake that. I'm so used to, I always like putting names in there, so when the names are on there, I can put it on there. Alright, we got this. Let's do chocolate. Alright, let's do this. Booksy Daisy. Booksy Daisy. That's kind of cool. Okay, we got blue, that one, and that one. Yellow, we got them two, blue, orange, yellow, and green. But we can open the box now. While we open right away. We get new colors every time. And we got a new slime. Let's make it. Let's make that new slime. Whoa. Is this a new slime? That ain't new slime. Let's dump that out. Now this one you need 4. Now we have copper.
Can I give him a pass from you? Nope, I don't need it.
Let's do Psycho Girl.
Wait, you want the TV in here?
For a second.
We should.
Okay, I was right here. Okay. Girl, Psycho Girl. Okay, voila. We got it. Copper. We got copper. I love that one. We're trying to make all types of colors. We made Clayton, Dantinium, Chemtate, I'm J Nation, Dream Team, Booksy Daisy.
Why, you need it?
We need guava juice on there.
Huh? Okay, how did y'all get it in here? Really hard. Who got it in here? Rory.
I'll be right back. Whew, okay, we're good, y'all. Now all we gotta do. Okay, let's see. Hold up. Before we do some. Oh, whoops. Go home. Okay, so far we got Clay Neighbor, Dantity M, Chemtate, I'm J Nation, Dream Teams, Booksy Daisy, and Psycho Girl. Okay, let's see. Who's next? Who next? I know. What?
You too.
Hmm?
You too.
Yeah. We got. Leave me down in the comments below who else y'all want me to name, because we got a lot to name. And plus, I'm going to run out of colors soon, so. Markiplier. Markiplier, yeah. Red. We got pink. We're going to just put chocolate.
Why?
Mm.
You want to see it? Come see it.
Let's try a new one.
Yeah, you'll take a lot. So please stay.
Mm. Alright, since I'm done with YouTubers now, because that's all the YouTubers I have on there, I think. Okay, let's see. We done pink, yeah. So we gotta do red. Now we're gonna do names. Names I actually know. We're gonna do first name. If they have the same name, we're gonna do last name too. Like real names, alright y'all? Let's go. Let's do my name first. CJ. We're gonna do my name first. Cause that's all the YouTubers I know. Okay, now we did YouTubers. I'm not a YouTuber yet. Oh, so close. Okay, let's go. Alright, we got red. Okay, we got this one too. Oh no! Oh well. I was gonna do chocolate. Alright. Austin. And I think that's how Austin's name is spelled. I'm just gonna give a guess. Alright, we got that. So y'all, so far this slime part 4. If it's slime part 4, if not, it would be slime part 5. If that's not it, then I don't know. It would probably be slime part 4, I bet you. I gotta look at it. And this is a long video, just to let y'all know. Okay, so far we did that. We got this. I feel like we did that already. Hold up. Yeah, I think we did. Let me give it a shot. Let me see what it looks like first. Let me see what it looks like first. Okay, we're gonna do another name called Austin. Okay, we got that one done. Yeah, they're different colors. Okay. Oh, that was my favorite song. Close to the old town road, ride till it can't no more. Take my horse to the old town road, ride till it can't no more. The horse is in the back, the horse is unattached. And in the back, getting on my horse, you could whip my Porsche. I love that song, y'all. That's a real cool song. Okay, let's go. So far, y'all, we did so many colors. As y'all can see, we are almost done. Yeah, we are not almost done, but not all the way done. We're gonna make it cool. The rest we're gonna just do in chocolate. Oh, hold up. Oh, never. Well. Oh my god. Okay, y'all. It's the end of the video. We'll see y'all guys next battle. Goodbye.